So, hello everyone. I'm gonna show you how you will create your Bitly links. So, for example, ito yung link na kailangan yung i-Bitly. So, copy nyo yan and then go to bitly.com. So, create new link. Then put it here. And then gusto ko siyang i-customize. So, for example, ito kasi is day 1 of the free 3-day training. So, lalagay ko TSBAV free training day 1. Okay. So after that, I will click enter. And then here it is. So, mas maikli na siya. Okay. So, in your case, pwede nyo i-paste dito sa create new yung inyong link, yung affiliate link nyo. And then, put TBSA batch 15 enrollment. So, pag hindi siya nag-proceed, it means nagamit na yung link na yun. So, you have to create, so for example, dash TBSA dash batch 15 dash enrollment. Okay, pwede nyo po siyang i-customize using this custom backup optional. Okay, ganun lang po ang pag-Bitly. Thank you so much.